Rabbit and turtle stood side by side, ready to race with their eyes open wide. Rabbit hopped fast, saying, "I'll win, you'll see." Turtle smiled slow, "Just wait for me." Rabbit and turtle going down the track. One goes fast, the other steps back. Who will win? Let's wait and see. The rabbit or turtle, who will it be? Rabbit ran fast, zooming out of sight. "I'll take a nap, I've got this fight." Turtle kept walking, steady and slow, step by step with a calm little flow. Rabbit and turtle moving down the lane. Rabbit took a nap, turtle used his brain. Who will win? Let's wait and see. The one who's patient or speedy as can be. Rabbit woke up, jumped up in a hurry, saw Turtle near the finish line. Oh, what a worry! He hopped and he dashed with all his might. But Turtle crossed first, oh what a sight! Turtle won the race, fair and square. Rabbit scratched his head, "How did you get there?" Turtle said, "Slow and steady does the trick. Never give up, don't be too quick." Rabbit and turtle, they learned that day. Fast isn't always the winning way. Slow and steady, that's the key. To do your best and you'll win, you'll see. Rabbit and turtle, now they're best friends, racing and laughing till the very